My name's Brooke, and I wanted to share my experience with Bigger Better Butt. Before I started Bigger Better Butt, I had a flat butt, and I always hated it. For as long as I remembered, I was self-conscious about it. I tried working out. I even got a trainer at the gym, and for some reason, the butt area just never improved. And through Bigger Better Butt, I realized that I wasn't doing the right movements, and I definitely wasn't doing it at the right intensity. Um, Through finding Better Better Butt, I have a bigger, better butt, and I'm so happy about it. I have shared this with all my closest friends, and they're seeing results too. I definitely recommend this program. It's a butt saver. I love it. Thank you so much.